Yung calves natin na may two main muscles, yung gastrocnemius, yung visible diamond shape for size and aesthetics, and yung soleus naman is more about on the thickness and density from the side. When I train my calves, gumagamit lang ako ng 3-foot position. So, first position is toes forward. Ito yung typical position natin while doing calf raises. For overall mass builder, ito yung foundation position, most load potential. Heavy loading ka dapat dito around 8 to 12 reps. Next position naman natin is toes out to target the medial head or yung inside calf natin for thickness. Usual rep range ko dito is around 15 to 20 reps. And yung third position naman natin is toes in para to sa outer calf natin to hit the lateral head. So toes slightly inward, control the movement, don't rush, hard pick contraction tayo dito, around 12 to 15 reps. So ayun lang, take note, deep stretch every rep, slow eccentrics, around 3 seconds going down, and train your calves frequently kasi yung calves natin ay mabilis mag-recover, especially if hindi ka naman masyadong naglalakad daily. Most lifters, bounce reps, go too heavy, train calves once a week, tapos sisisihin yung genetics. Take note, the genetics matter but execution matters more.